Here's your complete cluster setup on your 25 Hyundai Sonata N-Line. For your cluster display, scroll to the right, Setup, Cluster tab. Here you can adjust the brightness. Takes you back to your camera settings and blue light filter. Cluster theme selection. You can select anywhere from Classic, Style A, Classic Style B, Classic Style C, Simple Style A, Simple Style B, or Simple Style C. Or you could all link it back to your drive mode. You have also content selection on your cluster, wiper lights display, icy road warning, welcome sound. When you enter your vehicle and your car turns on, you have a welcome sound. If you don't like it, you can turn it off at your pleasure. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.